Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper, no, it's in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, August the 12th, 2023. It's today actually Sunday, August the 13th. 2023, and I've already solved in this additional two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese suguru. But you are not interested in this one, you are interested in the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 6915. 6915. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits, 15. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have also 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Then let me see. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then, yeah, and now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, completed in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Tectonic, yeah, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.